ya. Thank you both of yous. Thanks a lot. Here comes Raging Camroid. Yeah! 1 VYP 96. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, hello. Wakey, wakey. Yeah. Wake up, dude. Wake up. Wake up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Hey, hey. Dumb duck. Stop sign, stop sign, stop sign, stop sign, stop sign. Stop sign. Ah! Ah! Stay in your lane. Green, go. Green, go. Good God, get more trash in your friggin' van, dude. Green, go. You missed a green. Good God, dude, clean your friggin' van out. Go! Will you fucking go, lady? Jesus Christ, will you wake up? Yeah! What are you doing back? Jesus Christ, you're so fucking stupid. Oh, God. Stop before you turn, dude. Stop before you turn. Runners and blockers. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. That wasn't a yield, Mr. Dump Truck. Exit dive. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. You don't change lanes in the construction zone, and you're not supposed to be in that lane, so to you. Stop sign fleet, Petroleum. Liquor store emergency. Yeah. You turn from the left lane, right lane, other lane, wrong lane. Hey, asshole. Hey, hello, hello. Good move, Muffy. Hi, no one's here, thank you. Oh! Cameroid. Tanker truck to the left lane. Nope, dump truck not supposed to be in that lane. Back there. Who's this a-hole? This a-hole is ER Transport. Thank you. We will hold each other as we sail for the stars. Direct to left lane, Civic. Direct to left lane, Fusion. Direct to left lane, Subaru. You asshole. You just cut her off. Ooh. Yellow, red, right, runners. He ain't gonna let you over. Just cut him off. Cool. Here's your blinker. Passville. Here's your blinker. Passville! You suck at this, dude. Ooh, look at the pretty tree. Christ's sake. Is this an exit dive? This is an exit dive. Alright? Alright, that's an exit dive. What? Exit dive to get back on the same friggin' road. Okay. Okay, dum-dum. Okay.